Hi guys, my name is DieCastModels and today I am back with another video once again. I am very glad that today I can share this video with you of my new Bugatti Veyron SuperSport, a Merveilleux edition. In this video I also tried something new and I made an unboxing video. After searching more than 3 years, I finally managed to find one. This model is in very good condition and hasn't been out of the box until now. When buying this model, you also get a little guide in which you'll find information on how you can open the several parts of the car, as well as some information about the model itself. Another paper that is included is a certificate, where you can read that it is an authentic replica of the car, as well as the serial number, which is 926, quite a high number. When turning the box, you see the serial number written on the little sticker. On top of the box, there is already a part of the car, which is the engine cover. You can see that this part is made out of carbon fiber with blue details, just like the whole model. The lights are also attached to this part. The Bugatti Emblem is a very fragile part of the Bugatti models of Autoart in general, so be careful when you want to dust it off. I am going to put it back to keep it safe, for now. But now, the moment suprême. The first look at this car is already impressive. The carbon fiber is very detailed on this car and it looks stunning with the blue interior. I'm going to unscrew the screws so I can show you the whole car out of the box. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bugatti Veyron SuperSport Merveilleux edition made by Autoart, based on a one-of-one Bugatti Veyron. This Veyron is fully made out of carbon fiber and looks very stunning. As you can see on the backside of the car, you already see one of the few blue parts above the exhaust, and in a few seconds I'm going to attach the engine cover to the car. The engine cover has a magnet which makes it easy to put it on the car, which makes it of course a lot more beautiful. Later on in this video we will have a closer look and more detailed look at it. We will start with the front of the car. You can clearly see that there aren't any blue parts from this perspective, because the fact that it is a super sport, the headlights are updated, the emblem is very clear and there is lots of carbon fiber. Later on, I will show you these parts more in detail. You can easily open the trunk, where there is not much to see inside. The trunk is made out of velvet material, which is always a nice detail on these models. Now we come to the back of the Veyron, where the blue details accentuate. You also see the big exhaust, which is a bit less beautiful in my opinion because of the chrome parts. But furthermore, there is the Bugatti emblem, the rear lights and the diffuser. Underneath the car, there is a button to open the wing of the Veyron. Unfortunately, it is not possible to put the wing in the race or in the brake mode. There is just one mode. On this side profile of the car, the carbon fiber as well as the blue parts really stand out. The rims are very detailed. You see Merveilleux edition written on it on the lower left corner and the B of Bugatti written on the fuel cap. Now we are going to have a closer look at the interior of the car. Looking at the door panels, we see the carbon parts coming back. The other parts like the door handle, the buttons next to it and the compartment are very beautifully finished. The steering wheel looks magnificent as well, especially with the chrome parts. The counters above the steering wheel are very clear, just like the handle for the windscreen wipers. The panel in the middle is made out of carbon fiber and most of the buttons on the panel are chrome. The words that are written on the buttons are very clear and very readable. And of course, when we take a closer look at the pedals, the material that is used next to it is a velvet material, just like in the trunk. The rims are very beautiful with the silver parts in front and the black parts in the back. The rims aren't made out of carbon fiber, but the brake pads of this Veyron are also blue, in the same color as the other blue parts. And as you can see, the suspension really works, which is a nice little detail. And please don't worry because I don't push the car that much at all. After all these years, I am very glad that I finally found this moto, because it is 100% worth it, really. Apart from the car, I hope you guys liked the video and the unboxing part. Any feedback is welcome, of course. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more reviews about motor cars, be sure to subscribe on my channel. There is some awesome footage coming. As always, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.